everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for tuning into today's video. How are you guys doing? Hope you are good today. So yeah, this is my client for today, and you guys already know her. So today we are going to be relaxing her hair that she has been carrying for like 6 to 7 months, and she has not retouched or relaxed the hair. She has so many undergrowth. So first, I'm just going to go ahead to apply hair cream around the parameters of her hair just to protect her hairline. Hair cream actually weakens the activeness of relaxer, so that's why I'm actually applying. You can use Ori. There's this that's shea butter. You can use shea butter or you use hair cream. And so yeah, for today's video we are going to be using olive oil or olive relaxer. I think it's olive oil relaxer. So that's what we are going to be using for today's tutorial or today's video. All right, this is how I'm actually applying the relaxer on my client's hair. And to relax her hair, I do not like to apply the relaxer on the tip of the hair. So I like to just relax or apply the relaxer on the roots of the hair. I like to apply it on the root of the hair and not the tip of the hair. This is because once you start applying relaxer on the tip of the hair, that's if you've done that previously. Like if the person is a normal relaxed the person has a normal relaxed hair, not a natural hair. If it's a natural hair, you relax from the root to the tip. But if the person is just coming for retouching, to retouch or relax the hair, you do not need to apply the product on the tip of the hair, just the root of the hair. You guys will see how I'm going to just relax her hair. You will see how it will turn out. It will look so healthy, sleek, and yeah, it will also help the hair to grow faster and all. What I majorly do is just to section the hair into 3 different portions, and then we'll start applying. This is so that I can easily access all the parameters of her hair, and it will make the whole application fast. So it will give like an easy access to all parts of the hair. Applying the product generously to her hair using a tail comb to do so. At first, I'm going to use my hands, and after my hands, that's for the first application. After my hands, we'll go ahead to use a big comb to comb the hair, just so that the product can penetrate in. I hear some people say that you do not need to use a comb while applying the relaxer, but I am here to say that that's not so true, because we all have different textures of hair. So here in Nigeria, most of my clients or most of the people here in Nigeria have like a strong 4C hair, which you would definitely need a comb to actually apply the relaxer. It's something that you really need to do just so that the hair can be relaxed. So if you have a different thought on this, you can leave a comment in the comment section below and give us some reasons why you say so, and let's get chatting in the comment section below. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but After the first application, we go ahead to use a bigger comb to comb through the hair, just to help soften the hair a little bit, and also for the product to penetrate into the hair. We'll do this to all 3 portions of the hair using the big comb to do so. Then after that, we'll go ahead to use a small comb to just start sectioning them little by little, and combing is also for the help of the penetration of the product. Like you guys can see, I'm not combing the tip of the hair. I'm actually avoiding it, because this is so that the hair doesn't break, to avoid breakage. This is to avoid breakage of the hair. Applying the relaxer on the tip of the hair will actually further soften the tip of the hair and making it to weaken. So making it to weaken, that's making the texture of the hair to weaken and then to now start causing breakage. That's it will lose its strength and then to start breaking. So yeah, I always avoid applying relaxer on the tip of my client's hair. But do not forget though, if you have any opinion, like a different opinion concerning the application of this relaxer, let us know in the comment section below and give us reasons why you say this is not right, and let us just educate ourselves there. All right. I'm going to allow you guys to just watch the video at this point, and yeah, and also going to play like a podcast for you to listen to. So yeah, you guys enjoy the video and enjoy the podcast as well.
I want to say that, like, I need you to be serious about the fact that, like, you told you are cheating on your
No,
spouses.
she's just explaining to us how she's enjoying life now.
No, I get it, but I also want her to be
She's not
realistic.
here to be judged.
I don't like this nonsense.
She's a flower in bloom. She's not here to be judged, okay? She said she's eating rice, she's also eating beans. Okay, guys?
Said she's a flower in bloom. Which nonsense bloom is she blooming? Anyway, let me tell you something. I really pity you, and I hope your boyfriend is cheating on you.
That's so bad mind.
I really do. And you know, there was even worse. I don't.
How can a married man be cheating on his girlfriend?
What are you saying? You've never had this conversation with somebody before?
Excuse me, what do you mean I've never had a conversation before?
Jola, are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe my friends are really badly behaved.
Yes, they are.
I have 100% had this conversation where their boyfriend, who is married, is cheating on them. Not with their wife. As in, I've been out where my friend's boyfriend who is married is moving to another babe and she's losing her mind. Not his wife, just another babe that's not her. And then what she said was that the thing is that, okay, yes, your wife is your wife, whatever. But outside your wife, I am like the love of your life. So how can you have room? I said, okay, somebody that has room for you.
Momo. Then they call me Momo. I know it sense to love. Your love makes me a happy Momo.
Someone that room for you, his heart is not so big for everybody. They crazy. That day, when I tell you that we were out, like we were somewhere, and when I say that, like four of us, we were weeping. You don't understand? We were weeping of laughter because we were like, Shina said she wants to go home, thinking that we'll all storm out with her. I said, don't sit the fuck down. You did crazy. You also storm out because your married boyfriend is flirting with another babe in your presence. You must be crazy.
Yeah.
So she now said, I will not be supportive. I said, if you don't see the boyfriend, get out. Robert, you're not even shy to express your anger, you clown. I said to her, let me tell you the problem. He told you that his heart is big enough to love two people. Okay,
we don't know that I can love four.
Out of three. Oh, I pity you. Next thing she come, they say, they spoke about it. It was just physical.
Okay, it was just physical.
No, that's human.
So with what he has with her is romantic.
Let's say in the hierarchy of love, she's actually number one.
Okay.
Then wife two.
Then this girl
just
three.
Sex. She's not in the love.
Because she's
just in the sex.
Okay. Now this brings me to what I wanted to talk about a while ago. I know that this is not normal, but I'm going to talk about my own safe space in the middle of the episode. Okay. I want you guys to remember, mommy.
Sign out.
I think this is the best time for you to
actually
close
with you.
The
other day, mom told me she's catching up on the podcast. I said, what episode are you on? She said this. I said, just skip to the next one.
No.
She said, why? I'm advising you. And
mommy,
it's good for you to listen to me.
I want you to put out this
domain expert. This episode. She was like, I know we are listening to it in there. I said, you and uncle, please change it. I said, please don't listen to it in front of people. I'm begging you. I said, you will not be happy. Change this thing. Go ahead.
Okay. My unsafe space this week is Nigerian sex sounds.
Jola.
Do you know what I've noticed? Honestly and genuinely.
Jola, I don't know what the hell you've noticed.
Okay.
Because where did you notice it?
I personally feel like in pop culture, there is an assumption that
I'm going to be really upset.
Nigerian sex sounds are congruent with the West. Meanwhile, the situations and conditions under which people are experimenting with their physical bodies are very different. What do I mean by that? In film, in music, in pop culture, when they say, or they're trying to imply that
So
sex is
I'm trying to
happening, you hear some sounds. And I said, this is not a girl from Jos having sex in Yanopaja. This is a young lady in California where light is
on
constant.
New York. You know,
She
lights
has-
content. She has tried new things. You know, she's enjoying herself.
Because, for instance,
She went out to the bar. She picked up the guy.
why
Yeah.
have I never heard, yeah,
Uh-huh.
oh,
Mash a bit, mash a bit.
oh, oh, ah. I have never heard of it. And the truth is that
Sorry, can I tell you a thought that I just had?
Oh,
You know, people obviously have pet names. Can't imagine when they're having sex. So what's saying, yeah, boss? That is fucking insane.
and this is what I'm trying to say. So you get me?
Say
This
something.
is what I'm trying to
Do
say.
you know what
Jen-
is crazy?
Thank
say,
you.
Yeah, boss, that's crazy.
You know, like, oh, you just hear, oh, ew, oh, I said, this is not a Nigerian sound.
This is not somebody who has been in a downfall
I've never heard-
earlier today.
I've never heard, ah.
And let me tell you the worst part. Jesus.
I've never heard of it before. And all I want to say is that we should not be ashamed of who we are.
We shouldn't be.
I want you guys to go 3 episodes back where we talk about being what? Who you are. Nigerians don't want to be who they are. We are ashamed of the sounds we make. You know, I've spoken earlier on about how I have an issue with the idea that in Nigerian films, they talk about having sex in the shower with water pressure. Why are you doing
is
that?
it as in is it the bucket that you people are sharing?
Thank
That yeah.
you.
What are you talking about?
Thank you. So it's just something that I thought about recently. And I
Yeah.
didn't want it to be like I'm somehow.
I
I,
think
felt
it's
like
insane
the
because,
only
like,
place I can really
I think
express
honestly
this.
I would lose my mind if someone started speaking Yoruba in the bedroom.
What if he
would.
said, I'm just asking now. Oh yeah.
Because let me tell you what will happen. You know, in all these films, like, do you know that, like, sometimes, I don't know why my mind is going there, but, like, maybe I'll see, like, 50 Shades of Grey. And Christian Grey is, like, tying this babe up, saying, let's try this, let's try that. And you can just imagine a middle-aged Nigerian woman who works at the bank. Okay? Now, she has gotten home. Remy has gotten home.
Please don't
Okay,
use Remy. That's my auntie's name. My favorite auntie.
let me use Shola. Shola has gotten home now. Shola took a bus home.
Okay.
Now, this new man Shola has met, Chris. Okay, Chris, who Shola met.
It's not Chris, Christopher.
Christopher. No, Clinton. Clinton, who Shola met at the church.
Mhm.
Now, they've gone out, they're doing one thing, two things. Clinton said he's coming over. And they had planned to, explore one or two things. Clinton told her that he's into, some things, some bad things. She was like, okay, no peace, she wants to try it. Now, Clinton gets to Shola's house. And they're getting into. Then Clinton now says he wants to tie Shola to the bed.
The
Wait
busy
now.
bow.
Wait now. Now, Clinton has tied Shola one hand, has tied Shola two hands. Clinton has brought out his leather apparatus. Clinton now hits. Rubbish! Clinton, trust you are Clinton.
No, but then it depends.
Okay, now tell me how the mood can succeed.
No. But some of them is not whips now.
How do you know?
I don't know. I've heard of it. It's not whips now. Some of it is like paddles.
Okay, what I'm saying is that what is Shola's? This is all that Shola can do.
No, it's not
Now, how
that.
can the mood exist?
No, you're even
When
going
Shola
far.
is asking Clinton how many times she has called his name.
No. But my own thing is, genuinely, I know you guys are laughing at me, but I just think about something that I think is wrong. That we don't explore Nigerian sounds. Because I'm not, it's not personal. Everybody knows I love him. Have people listened to Rema before? I want to take your mind back to the track Soundgasm. Okay. When he was whispering, I was thinking to myself, that if a Nigerian man is whispering like this, saliva go down for your ear. But it's not right because I don't want to spoil the mood of the music.
You can't. You can't.
So you can't say that when others are saying, oh my God, this song too mad. It's too mad. Meanwhile, Rema, you need to do a remix with the Yin Yang Twins of that song. Just by the way, I really do think that you need to do a remix with the Yin Yang Twins of that song as a song. It'll be mad. But I didn't want to know that when he said it, I did not hear any.
So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Are you able to learn something from this video? You guys, we have products on our website. We have luxury hairs. We have different hair products, products for revamping, treatment of hair. We have bone straights. We have like lot of products. You guys go and check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below and share the video to friends and family. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. I'm